Mechanization and technology. We can see lots of advantage of mechanizations and technology in various fields. Both are the helpful to urbanizations too. In this recent decade, the use of technology has increased in agriculture. Mechanizations has also increased. In rural areas, agriculture is done with the help of machines on a large scale these days. The manpower employed in the agriculture became devoid of the agriculture work. The working class came to the city, look for the work. As a result, urban population started increasing. See what happened? Because of the agriculture, now we have improved agriculture a lot. We started taking the work from the machine more than manpower. So what happened, the manpower, the one who's in this agriculture field, and because of the machines their work get less, they started moving to urban areas, and increasing the population of urbanization. The first the people we need for the cultivations of land, now they started using the tractor and all. Now second is transport and communication. In the region where transport facilities like road and railways develop, urbanization of small rural settlements occurs rapidly over there. For example, after the development of Konkan Railway, many villages like Shivray, district Ratnagiri, lying close to its proximity have started urbanizing. Concurrence of important railroads through Bhusawal district Jalgaon leads to its rapid growth. See now what happened? Transport have also increases in urbanizations. Like first if you will see the example of Konkan Railways, the area which is very backward, which is the kind of village area, it has improved because of the railway lines. The railway tracks are there, the railway stations are there. So that Ratnagiri district, the Shivray district has it improve its values, and they also started coming into the urbanizations area or urban areas. Now the migration is a major factor affecting urbanization. This migration can be short term, long term, or permanent. Migration occurs from rural to rural area, rural to urban area, or urban to urban area. The attraction of higher standard of living has also resulted in an increase in the migratory population in the city. For example, migration occurring in city like Mumbai, Pune from other parts of India. See now what happened? Now people started migrating from one place to another. That means the one who's living in the village but have better higher standard of living or better life, they started migrating in the urban area. The one who's already living in the urban area, they move for better areas to improve their standard of living. And Mumbai and the Pune is the biggest example, because the all over India, the people who's coming from Delhi or maybe south areas or Kolkata and all, they started living for education purpose, for job purpose, employment purpose. They started living in Mumbai and Pune. So this is because the urban population was also has increased because of the migration. Then effects of urbanization. Because of urbanization, the characteristic of region change largely. We can experience the differences in the land use. For example, the land under agriculture is now under industries or residential use. While there are many advantages of urbanization, some problems are arise. See now what happened? Effects of urbanization. Every coin has a two side. Whether it will give you the advantages, or other side will always give you the disadvantages. So now what happened? The urbanizations has the effects that some of the lands part which is reserved for agriculture, now getting utilized in industrial and the residential use. Why? Because the population, the villages are coming into urban area, the rural people are coming to the urbanizations and urban area, so this will going to increase. So now we'll see in the next lecture the advantage and the disadvantage of urban area. Thank you.